Hello there, Helen here again, your wellbeing advisor. Now I've put together some oils which are really good for cold and flu, given our current situation and the fact that it's cold and flu season. So eucalyptus oil is the main one, and it's a really powerful oil. It comes from one of the tallest trees in the world. It has really strong antiseptic properties, and it's good as an inhalant, so you can use it to breathe in or as a chest rub. So this could be adding it to some olive oil, say 3 or 4 drops to a little shot of olive oil on your chest area can really help. It also really helps with things like the relief of sinus headaches, so you know, where you get really bunged up. People have asthma, who have asthma as well, it can really help with that. One of the other oils is ginger, so that's really useful, and if we use it in small amounts, both ginger and jasmine, so 2 very different smells there, but ginger and jasmine are a good combination because they both combat the early stages of flu, you know, where you're feeling all horrible and shivery. And one of the other ones that's really good is myrrh. Now myrrh is really good for a dry cough, so combating a dry cough. Again, that's good to use as an inhalant. Now for that you can watch one of my videos on the oil diffusers and the oil burners. So the last 2 oils that I'd recommend are pine, because that's really good for your respiratory system. So again, using it as an inhalant or even in the bath. And then thyme as well, so that's another herb, and that is really good for throat infections. So you can use all these, you can use them individually, or you could mix up some of the smells together. You know what they're all for now, so you could see which combination you need. Go to the website, check that out and see which ones you can buy.